HubSpot CRM full tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use HubSpot CRM for our sales, for our business. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you can see, it has a lot of different features, a lot of customers use HubSpot, so let's get started. In order to use this CRM, we need to visit HubSpot.com, and as you can see in the top of the screen, there is only one button here, Get Started Free. So let's click on it and let's start our journey with HubSpot. So continue with this Gmail, continue with this account, and now we'll go to our CRM page. So what can we find here? At least we can create dashboards from scratch, or we can create dashboards from templates. Basically, you can choose anything you need. For example, there is like for different businesses, for like business unit overview, e-commerce, email overview. So let's choose e-commerce. Of course, you can simply just create it by yourself, add any graphs you need. So basically, it's pretty easy. What can we find here? In the top of the screen, as you can see, we have our main menu. In the right side, there is like account page. So here we can manage our billings. We can also visit HubSpot Academy, find prices here, product updates and training services. There's also like notifications area. So we'll continue to receive notifications here. Some settings, if we'll come to it, we can see all of our settings here, like general, security settings, and so on. So if you would like to change something, you can do it right up here. Also, there is like the option to add like marketplace. So app marketplace, we can find apps to integrate with HubSpot. If you'll click on it here, we can find a lot of different apps we can connect to HubSpot. So it's pretty helpful. There is like a lot of different apps. Zapier, Shopify is somewhere. So basically MailChimp, as you can see, there are a lot of different apps so we can connect, so if you need it, you can do it right up here. So of course, like explore HubSpot professional product with our trial, so we can find it right up here. But if we are on CRM page, we need to go to home. So this is our like dashboard. If you click on this icon in the left top corner, we can find the dashboard we choose. This is our template here. So as you can see, there is like different stats, like revenue totals is open deal stages, deal in process or shipped, e-commerce deals, like lifetime order, and so on. There are a lot of different stats and you can customize it for yourself. So you can change, for example, the older folder order or something like this. We can, from this page, for example, go to deals, we can refresh, we can call, export, and do another stuff. So what is the main like features? We have like contacts, conversations, marketing, sales, service, automation, and reports folder, and every single folder leads us to some other toggle folders. So for example, for contacts here, we can add some contacts we can deal with. Basically, like every single CRM, we have some options, for example, like create content in the right top corner, import or do some actions. For example, we can edit properties, manage duplicates, fix formatting issues, or restore records. If you want to view some information about like this contact, we can simply click on it and all the information will be right up here. So we can find the phone number, contact owner, like lifecycle stage, and so on. There are a lot of different features we can check, and you need to know that if you need to add as much information as possible about this lead to like make it easier to interact. So here we can find all the tasks, meetings which are like connected to this guy with all the calls or some other stuff, emails here. So this is the area of where can we find every single data about this guy. So all you need to do is just to visit this page and then just, find out information, what do you need. So we can choose like these guys here, and we also have some options. We can send them emails or do some other stuff. We can also find different folders like all contacts, my contacts, assign contacts here. So if you need to measure them, you can use these folders here. We can also add some filters. For example, here, if we'll click on add filter, we can see a lot of different activities, properties we can filter our contacts for. So the same way is with companies. As you can see, there is like company information spreadsheet, like company name, company owner, create date, phone number, last activity date, and so on. We can do the same actions with our contacts, like do some other actions. So we can import, or we can create company. For example, we can import or sync our companies from another apps. So this is a way of how can we deal with these companies. We can also edit some columns here in every single folder. We can edit columns, for example, change the order or delete the unnecessary columns or add the columns we need. So this is a way of how can we deal. Just simply click on edit columns right up here and then just use it in a necessary way. If we'll go to calls, we can also find all the calls information here, like if you do some calls, they will appear right up here. So in conversation, we can find the inbox, chat flows, snippets, and templates. This folder will help you to automate the interactions between like your team, if you have a team, to make it like without any gaps or some other stuff. On marketing page, we can see ads, email, and landing page, for example, or on email, we can find like option to get started for free. It's pretty cool, so you can just send the emails using like Marketing Hub from the HubSpot for free. On the sales folder, we can find deals and tasks. Deals is like just a simple thing, so we can add a deal. For example, here, just fill the information like deal name, pipeline, deal stage, amount, close date, deal owner, and so on. And after that, they'll be placed right up here as we already created, for example. And we can change the location of this deal by simply drag and drop it into two different parts. For example, like decision maker bot or some other stuff, contract sent, and so on. So you can add all the like features you want here. So how can we do this? Basically, we need to go to, like once more, sales, deals, and like board actions. We can like sort, export view, edit cards, or edit board. If we'll click on edit board, for example, we can find the settings right up here. So we can choose the style, we can choose the order, and so on. So this is a way of how can we deal with our deals. Also, we have like tasks. We can create tasks here to assign them to us or to our team. And this folder is like about tasks. Also, we have like surveys with tickets here and automation with sequences and workflows, but they're only for like professional plans, so only for paid plans. And of course, the report, we have like analytics tool here. So we have like custom behavior events and traffic analytics. And also like dashboard is right up here, which can lead us to like basically home page of our HubSpot as we started from. So if we'll go to watch for like paid plans, we can try to figure it out what's the differences. Basically, they have like starter, professional, and enterprise options to buy. So starter is like $80, professional is like $450, and enterprise is about $1,200. So basically, this is like differences. We can find them right up here. And basically, this is a way of how can we use HubSpot. You can start from free trial, and after that decide would you like to like continue to work with this CRM, or maybe you would like to choose the another one. So this is a way of how can we deal with HubSpot. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.